Hi, thank you for joining me today. We are at the gym. I have such a busy day. I have a million things I'm going to try to do, and I figured, you know what, you're not going to get to the gym. Just be honest. I'm not going to make time to go to the gym. So I figured, get up, go to the gym, get it out of the way, and let's see what we can do today. I have lots of things I'm trying to get done, so let's go. Gym is done. I'm glad I went. I feel good. Now it's time to get dressed so that we can get with this day. I did stop and pick up some Dunkin' Donuts for my son because he loves donuts and it's his birthday, so he's gonna be so excited. Okay, it is 8:29. We just got to the bins and I want to see if I can find a lot of things. I'm looking for everything, especially stripe polo shirts. I never find them, but I'm hoping that I find them. I always can never have enough of these button-down shirts. Ralph Lauren is my favorite, but I'll also take Banana Republic, anything J. Crew. I'm looking for the organic natural fibers. My kids always need clothes. Just who knows what we'll find. My sister's wanting some overalls. I'm wearing mine today and I love them, and I got them here. They're actually like over $100 and I got them here. But I'm looking for her for some overalls, and yeah, we'll see what we find. But as soon as we're done, we're gonna go to Trader Joe's and get some things we need to make my son a very special birthday dinner. Okay, the bins is done. We found some good stuff. I'm gonna throw it into the wash as soon as I get home, so that way I could do a little try on haul. But for now, we're at Trader Joe's. I'm gonna go ahead and get the things I need for dinner and for my son's birthday. Also some treats that are specifically sold here at Trader Joe's that I want to buy him, that he loves. Those are cute. Okay, I'm back from Trader Joe's. I found, well, that's Trader Joe's, but I'm also going to show you what I got at the bins. I got this greenery that looks very real. It's still new in the bag, so that's cool. Got that. With Christmas coming up, it doesn't, I don't know if it's pine or what it is, but it looks like it can be used as like winter stems. They look like pine needles, so I think this will be great for fall and for winter. We'll see what I do with that, but I got a whole bunch of it, and it looks like it's from a plant or a tree or something, which is cool because if you go outside, if you have some cool sticks, some dried sticks, you can put these on. They're not bad. They're not bad little stems. A lot of parties host a lot of things for people. I just love doing that for people. And this kind of stuff is really good for spreading on the table. Stairs I have at the top of my stairs where you land. It's this little space. It drives me crazy. I don't know what to do with it because it's open, so you can't really use it as like a sitting room or anything, but it's also small, so, but it's really dark, and I would like to add some greens up there. Obviously anything I put up there that's living will die, so I'm gonna need greenery, but isn't that nice? Anyways, I got some good stuff that I'm gonna wash before I do a little try on haul, but first I found this Lacoste sweater. How cute, and it's yellow. I love this color. This is my color, okay? And this is amazing, but it has a little stain. I'm hoping I can get it out. I don't know what it is. It looks like it could be, I don't know. Hopefully it's lipstick, or I don't know what it is. But I'm gonna try to take it out and see if I can take it off, because if I can, that's all that's wrong with the sweater. It's amazing. I'm gonna just toss everything in the wash, and then I'll do a little haul. A little clothes haul, because I got some good stuff. I'll do a very quick little haul of what I bought at Trader Joe's while I'm unpacking, but my son's favorite cereal, it's like their favorite snacks and stuff. It's like their bad stuff, but my son's birthday, this is his favorite. He loves this. Got him strawberries, grapes. I haven't had these chips from Trader Joe's. They're so good. They're like the best tortilla chips. They're so good for like the price, you know, and them being organic. Like, they actually taste like restaurant chips. They're crunchy and thin. My son also, I never let him eat these. So he's always asking me for them, so I got him some crackers. The kids love these too, these peanut butter things. So the inside's filled with chocolate and then the dipping sauce is peanut butter. It's good. They're a little pricey though, they're like $5. Trader Joe's also has really good salsa if you haven't had it. And my son, for his birthday, also got him these. This tempranillo from Trader Joe's is good. I think I said it right. Just so some lotion. This is hand creamed in body. It's unscented and I love it. My husband and I love these almond flour tortillas. They're so good. And these are the best corn tortillas. I'm gonna make the kids tacos tonight. I'm gonna do frosted meat. Otherwise, we got veggies. I have spinach and they have a butter lettuce and arugula mix. It's so good. We love it. Broccoli, bananas. I just got 3 because Lola eats, she's the only one that really eats them. She eats them slow, so I only get a handful. Bell pepper, some nectarines. Let's see, I needed cream so bad. Lola snuck these in. I did not approve these. I approved one and she got all these, stuck them in. Little brat. Pudding. And then I always get 2 packs of these smoothies because sometimes I don't have time to make them. I try to make them myself, but if I don't have time, these are actually really good. And then I got the Ezekiel tortillas. They're so good. I'm gonna actually make some lunch with one of those right now. And then they have organic string cheese. It's actually pretty cheap in my opinion for the amount that you get if you're looking. That's my haul. So I'm gonna get this put away and then I gotta clean up the house so that way I can get started with dinner, and maybe at that point the clothes will be done and I'll show you a little haul of what I got. My pantry is a disaster and so is my refrigerator, so I'm not gonna do like a super thorough OCD, like get everything out and clean, but I'm gonna clean it. It needs attention, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little bit of my effort into that space right now before I put everything in and move on with the day, because it's pretty bad. Okay, like I stated, this isn't a perfect clean, but this is so much better than it was before. I can at least see everything. It's really annoying, but our dishwasher, I don't know, it works. Like the dishes look clean, but there's this horrible foul smell that's coming out of it, and I'm sure it has something to do with our drains. We're gonna have to get a plumber out here to figure out what's going on, because it's just so bad. And the dishes, although they look clean, like you could put your nose to it and it just stinks. It reeks. It does not smell clean. Just because something looks clean doesn't mean that it is clean. So until we get that fixed, I forbid anybody from putting anything inside the dishwasher. It's hand washing only, and my husband and my son hate it because they're like, it works, it's cleaning. I'm like, no, it's not. There's no way that those dishes are clean when they smell like that. We'll see what actually is the issue, but until then, back to the olden days, washing dishes. Actually, don't mind washing dishes by hand. I think it's a little bit therapeutic for me. I also like too that when you hand wash, like your dishes are available. You don't have to wait until the dishwasher's full before you could run it and you run out of works or something stupid. Strangely enough, we're dwindling down. Anyway, I'm just gonna hand wash these, and seems like I'm finishing up. I'm just gonna run through the refrigerator real quick and throw out anything that's old and free up some of my Tupperwares. These grapes were really dirty. I didn't show it, but I soaked them 3 times in baking soda and water, and now my final rinse is usually always just water and vinegar. So 4 times it took me to clean these grapes. And the water is still yellow. I don't know if you can see it. All right, no more gunk on them. I'm gonna do it to the strawberries, and then I'm gonna put them out on my little towel to dry. Look at this. This is from the strawberries. Ugh. I don't know if you can see. Rinse your fruit and veggies, please. There's so much junk in them. So this day was my son's birthday, and I decided to cook him tacos, but they were acting crazy, so I didn't add it in. But we had a great dinner, and he was very, very happy with this birthday meal. And I did end up doing my little try-on haul here at the end for you guys, and I was very satisfied with what I found at the bins. I just love the bins. You always find such good deals. I found a Tommy Hilfiger button-down shirt. This here, when I was trying it on, I wasn't sure if it was a pajama shirt or a blouse, and I was just really confused, so I Google searched it, and it is in fact pajamas, which I'm fine with because it's super comfortable. And this is from the brand Lucky. I found a striped polo shirt. That was my goal, and I hardly ever find them, so I was really happy, and I've already worn it twice since this try-on haul here. This is my Lacoste sweater. I did actually get the stain out good enough, right? It's good enough. If you pull it and you zoom in, you really look at it, you'll find it, but if you're not looking for it, you can't see it, and that is good enough for me. I love the way it fits. So it's a little itchy, a little bit. I'm gonna have to put on like a long sleeve thin shirt underneath it when I wear it, but otherwise I love the way it fits and I love the way it looks, so I'm super excited about that. And I found this little granny sweater. I love these little sweaters. This is from Old Navy. It's cotton. It's really comfortable, and I just love the color. Can never have too many of these, especially in Arizona. We like to put them over like dresses or tank tops because everybody blasts their AC in the summertime and you get so cold. And so you need a little cover up or something. This is just a gym shirt, but I love the cut. These are my favorite cuts right here. This is my jam for gym shirts. And then I found these little Adidas shorts, which they're a little tight, but they're still really cute. I'm being silly. I found some clothes for my kids too, and they washed very nicely. They're really good quality. They're gonna last through the winter, so I was really excited about that. These shorts have the little adjustable bands, and I've decided not to buy anything that doesn't have the adjustable bands anymore. So they're gonna fit my kids. And then I forgot to try this one on, so I'm just doing a little overshirt moment here. But this is Z Gallery, and it's so pretty. It's a peacock. I loved it, and I've already used it a whole bunch. I love it. It hangs beautifully too. It looks nice when it's hanging. But anyways, it's super comfortable. I love it. And yeah, I'm just feeling myself here. If you're trying to romanticize your life, get a robe. They make you feel like a princess. So I think I'm gonna go for a walk because it's beautiful outside. It's a little humid, but it's as cool as it's gonna be this week. I think by next week this time we're gonna be like back to 112, so might as well. I showed you guys what I bought. I walked out of there with a handful of items. I spent $15, so I can't complain. I got Lola a lot of stuff. There were about 5 more pieces of clothing that I didn't show you. It's still in the wash, but I think you guys will live if you don't see that. Their dresses are cute. It's sweating. It's like so hot. Oh my gosh, it's humid. I'm not used to that. I'm used to heat. I'm not used to humidity. But hi, baby. Lola's down there. Are you eating? Can I have some? When a kid gives you fake food, right? Mmm. Sure. Mmm. I love it. Good job. You're a baker.
I'm a baker.
But I was thinking about going to the Goodwill tonight, but I'm trying to hold out because tomorrow's they're 50% off. I was gonna end this little vlog here tonight, but I'm gonna just wait until tomorrow and hit up the Goodwill, and then I'll end it. So you'll see me tomorrow. I'm here at the Goodwill. I should not be here because I need to be getting ready for my sister's birthday dinner. We're gonna eat ramen and I'm excited about it, but I have just had such a busy morning. I have not been able to get out, and I finally was able to get free. So I'm here. I have like 40 minutes. I'm hoping it's not too picked through because it's already almost 4 o'clock, so I'm sure it's been picked through, but this is the 50% off day at Goodwill, so I'm gonna go see what they have. Hopefully I can find something. So first thing, I find this really cute little dress. It's super comfortable. I love it, but it's a little faded, and even at half off it would still be $4-ish, and I think that's a little much. And this is cute, but I'm really trying to stay away from synthetic fabrics. I found this beautiful yellow dress that I fell in love with. The black and white one I thought would be cute for certain occasions, but I thought it was really cute too, but neither one of them fit me. Spoiler alert. This one had 0 stretch, and yeah, I was really bummed out. I fell in love with it. And can I just say that sometimes trying on clothes at the Goodwill is very humbling because they took away our dressing rooms. I want them back, dang it. But I had to try to squeeze into this. It did not fit. It's really funny. I had a hard time even getting it off. I was like, I don't want everybody seeing me go through this. This is just wrong. It's public humiliation. I think it's too big. Okay, so this trip was a little bit of a bust. However, I did find a skirt that I've been looking for years. It's been on my Pinterest board, this outfit, forever, and I've never been able to find a skirt that can accomplish the goal, and I think this works. So I was pretty excited about that, and I actually wore it to my sister's birthday dinner that night. And I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you so much for joining me. I'd really appreciate the follow if you like what you saw. I'm also on TikTok, AZCons as well. And I do a lot of my thrifting and food videos there. So if you'd like to join me there as well, I'd welcome you to follow me. Thank you so much, and you have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like and all the things. Please.